Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use your Instagram Edit's advanced color wheel feature. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Edits tab and open any project that you have. And now the advanced color wheel in Instagram's Edit app is a powerful tool for professional level color grading. It allows you to isolate and adjust the colors of your shadow, mid-tone highlights to give your reels a cohesive and cinematic look. All you need to do is tap on the video first, and then you want to go all the way to adjustments. So if you find adjustments, that's fine. If you don't find any adjustments here, you can simply go ahead and head back out. And here, there's going to be adjust tab right over here. Now you want to simply go ahead and click on wheels. Now this is going to be the color wheel tab. So this is global, shadows, midtones, highlights. So how I like to do it is that I like my shadows to be a little bluish color right over here, a little cold. And then I want my midtones to stay where they are and my highlights in a little bit of yellowish tone. This gives it a very cinematic look, as you can see, and this is exactly what I prefer. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.